project bike out of the shed.
I'm back and ready for the 2023 Broke to Build contest. Huge thanks to Cameron for putting this on and all of the awesome judges for being a part of it. This year I've got a 2005 Yamaha YZ250. So I bought a pair of these bikes from my buddy Danny, this 05 and a 2011. I took the suspension from the 11 and got that bike up and running and sold it, and this is what we've got for the 05 build with 11 suspension. And here is a hefty pile of parts. This was essentially Danny's parts bike, and he's quite the collector of parts as well. This case half had some damage. So just last week, I got this repaired, and here's the rest of the engine. So this is the platform. I'm also really excited to see everyone else's builds. I can't believe the caliber of last year's builds, and I can only imagine this year's gonna be better. And here's my build from last year, just chilling in the living room. So we've got to see if we can top this.